When you are trying to lose weight and you are not sure how you want to go about it, you may consider a weight loss program. These are most generally a great idea because there are several different programs, which can greatly help you reduce your weight. You need to realize that not all of these programs are the same. It is very important for you to find the right program which works for you. Here are several tips that will help you find the right one. 1. Make wise decisions from the very beginning of your program. You will need to avoid the temptation of buying the first diet program that you may run across. This will even fall true if the information about the company that they gave you sounds real inviting and appeals to you. You must remember that all of these diet programs will make their information about themselves sound good as a way to pull you into their web. There is not a program that will not emphasize their benefits in their literature. Yes, it is true that some of these benefits may be true, but you need to do some serious shopping around before you make your final choice. You need to make sure that your final choice will give you the best options and benefits for the amount of money that you are paying. Do a little bit of research on your own before you join. Ensure you select the right program for your body type. Here is the best way to choose a good program. Research on each of the programs which you are interested in, read all the testimonials, reviews, blogs, visit forums for the particular program you are looking at, see testimonials by those that have actually used the weight loss program. These are the people that will be able to give you the best information about the program. They will also be able to tell you if the program is all that it claims to be. You must be aware that not all of the negative criticism of the program will be listed. Therefore, it is extremely important for you to perform due diligence accurately. This may seem like a laborious task to you, but it is critical for your well-being. And it is also very important to check with your personal physician or your other professional health provider to determine you are physically fit to start the program. The final issue when you are choosing a diet program is the financial cost to you. Yes, it is true these weight loss programs do come with a cost. But it does not have to empty your pocketbook in the process. When you happen to find a program which has a proven devised plan, provides healthy and quality food, go ahead and grab it. However, make sure you can fit the cost into your overall budget. These are all great tips for you to pay attention to when you are choosing a weight loss program that works for you. When you find a weight loss program that works for you, it will bring you closer to meeting your weight loss goals. Subscribe, like, share,